Good morning, savorers. Man, I woke up to some thunderclaps. It was a bright blue, cloudy day yesterday, and it is overcast. I'm thinking it's gonna rain, but I hope this thunderstorm stays around. I love thunderstorms. Got me off track. It's so good to see your face this morning on our morning walk. Get the body moving, the mind in place. Ooh, big thunder or lightning there. Let's see, we should hear that in a second. So if you count, what they say is for every second it's about a mile away. So that was 5-10 miles away maybe. Okay, Vex Kings, good vibes, good life. Tip for the day: the power of a good partner. Someone you can be honest with, that you don't have to give yourself up for the relationship. Man, Vex, you are awesome. And that partner doesn't mean your spouse or your boyfriend or girlfriend or whoever. Just somebody that you can be honest with, somebody you can have a conversation with, somebody you can bounce ideas off of. It's all good. And sometimes, a lot of times in long-term relationships, that maybe somebody you grew up with is just so part of your life that is toxic. And, just something to think about is that some person really there for you or for them. Oh, look at these flowers. Love these things. Morning, Mr. Kitty. Here comes the rain. Perfect timing. Tanya's on the front porch videotaping this too. It's very, very unusual in the Northwest to have this kind of thunder and this long thunders. Well, after that crazy thunderstorm, it's just kind of hazy today, so we went and did a little grocery shopping, and I happened to go out into the garden department, and I found some new friends. So I did just got some more potting soil and made a mix and just filled up the rest of the potato container. So we should have potatoes that grow this level all through that, then versus just kind of one level. And let's see, what else did we get? Sun gold cherries, some English thyme, some lemon balm, some stevia. So this is what the sweetener is made from. I'm thinking it's the leaves. So we'll find out. I'll maybe make some. And then Blue Lake beans too. So got 2 beans in each one almost, so 12 plants. So we should have some beans.